Hi, welcome to a new edition of the Crisscross Show. Today I'm going to be cooking some chicken. I think I already did this before, but it's going to be mayonnaise chicken. As you can see, I am currently cutting up the chicken, cutting it up into small pieces for it to be good. Okay, so the way I cut my chicken is first I cut it in half, like so, and then I cut it this in half. Okay, so now I'm gonna put some mayonnaise because this is the trick to this. Some mayonnaise, you're actually gonna need a lot of mayonnaise. Okay, in the meantime, while I put some mayonnaise, I'm also gonna put some garlic powder. Just a hint of garlic powder, not a lot. Then some onion powder to kind of give it some more flavor. Okay. Red peppers, because it needs to be a little spicy. And we're kind of running low on red peppers, so might not be a lot, but some is better than none. Okay. Then some basil leaves. You're gonna need that. Some Parmesan cheese. A lot of Parmesan cheese. Parmesan cheese gives it a lot of flavor. And if you guys know me, I like to put taste in here. So we're gonna put a little hint of buffalo sauce to kind of give it some flavor. And then we're gonna keep putting some more mayonnaise because you need a lot of mayonnaise. All right, now I'm gonna start stirring it. Probably gonna need a lot more mayonnaise, but that's okay. Mayonnaise. Okay, so now I have put the mayonnaise and all the other ingredients in the chicken, and I've laid it all on the pan. I've set the oven for 400 degrees, and we're gonna cook it for at least 15 minutes. Then we're gonna stop it, and we're gonna flip the chicken so then the other part can burn, and then we'll have chicken. So I'll come back when the chicken is all ready. All right, product is all done. There are some burnt pieces, but that's what's gonna happen usually whenever I make chicken. Hope you enjoy the video. Like and subscribe, please.